तो चलिए चालू करते हैं। Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's problem is count and say. This is a Leetcode medium problem. So let me explain you the question. So here we have the inputs, input n of type int ranging from 1 to 30. So when n is 1, our output, the answer should be 1. This is our base case. So when n is 2, previously our answer was 1. First we need to first we need to count the number and then we need to say the number. So 1. How many ones are here? 1 once and we need to say the number 1. First we need to count the number and then say the number. So how many ones are here? 1 1. 1 once. So 1 1 1 1. So next when our input is 3. Previously our answer was 1 1. Again we need to count and say the number 1 1. So how many ones are here? 2 ones. 2 ones. So 2 1. When our n is 4, our answer previously was 2 1. So how many 2s and 1s are here? There is 1 2, 1 2, 1 1 2 and 1 1, 1 1. So 1 2 1 1. This is our answer. This is our answer when n is 4. So let me explain you the code along with an example. So when n is 3, our answer, the output should be 2 1. N is 3 and output is 2 1. 1 1 1 and finally our answer is 2 1 for n equals to 3. Let me show you the code. So here we have a function count and say. The return type of function is string since we have to return our answer, that's the output in data type string, and we have the parameter n, that's our input of type int. Our input n is 3. If n, our input is 0, we are going to return an empty string. That means the size of the string is 0. Next we are going to declare a variable called as answer of type string and initialize it to 1. Next we have our while loop. We will keep on decrementing the n by 1 and later when n becomes 0 the control comes out of the loop and returns the answer. Next we are going to declare an empty string called as current. Current is empty. Now we have a for loop. We are declaring and initializing I equal to 0. I is 0. Our answer is 1. So the size of the size of our answer variable is 1 since it has only 1. I is 0 and our answer size is 1. So 0 is less than 1, true. So we come here. We are next going to declare a variable called as count and initialize is to 1. Count is 1. Next we have a while loop. If it's true, we are going to increment I and count by 1. So let's check now. I is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 is less than answer dot size of. Answer dot size of is nothing but 1. So 1 is less than 1, no, false. So we don't increment I and count. So the control comes here. Now the control comes over here. Now we are going to add a current with two string of count. Now what is this two string? Two string is a function which is used to convert any data type like int, char, float into a string data type. Now here we have count. Count was previously of data type integer. Now after putting it to the function toString, this count is converted into a string type. So our count, which was previously of a int data type, is now converted into a string data type. So our count is 1 and we need to add this 1 plus with answer of I. Answer of I is nothing but 0. Answer of 0. So the first character is 1. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1 1. If we have an integer data type, if this both 1 and 1 are integer data type, then our answer will be 2. But we are converted into a string data type. So 1 plus 1 is 1 1. So our current, which was empty, will become 1 1 now. Current will become 1 1. Now our I plus plus I becomes 1. 1 is less than answer or size of is 1. 1 is less than 1, no, false. So control comes over here. Answer equal to current. So answer takes the value of current. So our answer also becomes 1, 1. So one thing I forgot to mention that before entering to the while loop, our n that's input 3 will get decremented by 1. So this should be actually 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So now our answer has become 1, 1. So next we are going to decrement n by 1. So now n becomes 1. Next again, we are going to initialize a current to an empty string. Current is empty. Next initial I equal to 0. I is 0 and I is and our answer was 1, 1 and our answer is 1, 1 and the size of our answer is 2. 1 and 2 characters. So size of our answer is 2. Check the condition. I is less than answer size of 1 is 0 is less than 2. Yeah, true. So now count equals to 1. Int count equals to 1. And we're going to initialize count as 1. So we come to the while loop again. We need to check the condition. I is 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 is less than answer size of is 2. 1 is less than 2. So this is true. Another condition, answer of 0 equal to answer of 1. Is our answer of 0 and answer of 1 are same? Yes. 1 answer of 0 is 1 and answer of 1 is also 1. So these are same. So the condition is true. Control comes inside the loop and we have going to increment I and count by 1. So I becomes 1 and count becomes 2. Again we need to check the condition. I plus 1. I is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is less than answer or size of is 2. 2 is less than 2. No, false. So control comes out of the while loop. Current equal to current plus the count converted into string plus the answer of current is nothing but an empty string. 2 string count. The count is 2. That's converted. Count is 2. Now that's converted into string. So 2. So we have the 2 plus answer of I. Answer of I is 1. So answer of 1 is nothing but this one. So 2 plus 1 is 2, 1. So here we have a current as 2, 1. Next we are going to increment our I by 1. I was 1 previously. Now if we increment I becomes 2. I has become 2. Is 2 less than 2? Answer size of 2 is 2. So 2 is not less than 2. So uh, the condition is false. The control comes outside the for loop. So now answer equals to current. Current is 2, 1. So we need to store that value in our answer. Answer has become 2, 1. After this, we are going to decrement our n value by 1. N was 1. If we decrement by 1, it becomes 0. So while loop condition, here the condition becomes false. So the control comes here and we are going to return our answer. Our answer is nothing but 2, 1. So 2, 1 is nothing but when our n was 3, the answer should be 2, 1. So we got our answer as 2, 1 over here. Similarly, if we do this for when n is 4, if we use this approach, we get the answer as 1, 2, 1, 1. So let's run the code. So bingo, it's been accepted. So thank you for watching the video, guys.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes.